Before sunrise, Elian opened the last page his father had left behind.
One message pointed north, toward a place called Grey Hill.
Waiting would not bring his father home.
He studied the map one final time and prepared to leave. Every journey begins with the decision to stand up and go. The old red scarf was the closest thing he had to his father beside him. The village was still asleep when Elian began his journey. Only the empty road watched him leave. At the edge of the village stood the last familiar marker.
For one moment, he almost turned back.
Then one step carried him beyond everything he knew. The world beyond home felt larger than he had imagined.
North looked simple when it was only a needle.
For a while, Elian believed he had prepared for everything. He marked every turn, certain the notes would guide him home. The old markers had nearly surrendered to the weather. At a fork in the road, the map stopped making sense. One road looked safe, the other looked shorter. Elian trusted the road that seemed faster. And with that choice, the clear road disappeared behind him.
The narrow path grew fainter with every step. Soon, there was no path left to follow.
The wind pointed everywhere at once.
For the first time, Elian admitted he was lost.
Even his footprints had vanished beneath the grass. Then he saw the shadow of Grey Hill beneath the gathering clouds.
The only way forward climbed into the mountains. The meadow gave way to cold stone and drifting mist. Each step became slower, but he kept moving. Then a dark shape appeared through the mist.
At last, Elian had found the Grey Hill station. But the last lantern was dark.
Without its light, the northern road disappeared into fog. Elian examined every crack, hinge, and loose edge. Inside the abandoned shelter, he searched for anything useful.
The old station had left behind just enough to try. Elian arranged the pieces and formed his first plan. He poured in the last of the oil. For one brief moment, the lantern came alive. Then one violent gust erased his first success. For a moment, Elian wanted to give up. Instead, he returned to the journal and read more carefully. His father had written, "When the obvious path fails, watch the wind." This time, Elian stopped rushing and began to observe. Beneath the dust, he found a simple replacement for the missing latch. A nail became a latch, and wire held the new glass firm. The metal plate would send more light into the fog. Elian lit the lantern a second time. The wind struck the glass, but the flame remained. At last, the light returned to Grey Hill. For the first time that evening, Elian could see the way forward. But the restored light revealed something else. The symbol matched a mark in his father's journal.
The lantern was only the first clue. His father's trail continued north.